We're in Morocco! Hi, good morning. We're at the hotel now. A little bit out of breath, carrying bags up and down the stairs. Beautiful hotel. Hotel Pia Besta. Let's just give you a walk around and then we'll tell you where we're going for the day. So you got the beautiful terrace. In the morning you have a breakfast area, and then you've got these beautiful tiles. My room for the evening, it was 30 euros with breakfast included. This is the entrance you come in through, and then you're greeted by this perfect man.
Perfect, welcome. Marhaba in Bia Vista, Hotel Bia Vista.
Such a beautiful hotel located in the Dadés.
Salam.
Salam.
How are you? Good.
Good morning and welcome to Dadés Gorge. We're going to be traveling through this gorge. Destination for today is Todra Gorge. And wow, it's quite the sight. A famous hairpin that you see on all the images when you Google Dadés Gorge. Absolutely stunning. Look at that. I'm breathless. Look at that view. One of the most fascinating roads, curved roads I've ridden on. It's unbelievable. And look at that, you got a baby camel to greet us at the top. Oh, bless him. So we had a bit of a camel traffic jam. This whole valley is sort of littered with these rocks that have rounded, no sort of sharp jagged edges. It's like someone's come along with a bit of sandpaper and just made them all soft and round.
Very welcome to the Hotel Temzilit. Shukran. With my friend.
This restaurant that's on the top of the Dadés Gorge hairpin bends, and they got all these terraces. You can see these terraces, but look at the view you get. I mean, can you think of a better restaurant view than that? Hey guys, it really helps me out if you can share the video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell for new content. Whoa! Whoa! That moment, oh my God. That moment in time will be with me forever. Riding through the Dadés Gorge.
Down in the dungeon is all we know, where the shining light, we never go into the open. As far as you can see it, wasting there a big bright destiny. Don't you feel like breaking free? Open your eyes, embrace what you see now. Don't you feel like cutting loose? Yeah, cutting loose, cutting loose. I'm alive, I do or die. My mind stretched out on the canopy. My dreams getting bigger than you and me. I'm alive, I do or die. Taking the leap, now I'm evergreen. My dreams getting bigger than you and me. I reach for the summit, calling for you. I close my eyes, can you feel it too? Don't wanna be alone when I got you. Escape with me, let me fall into you. Don't you feel like breaking free? Open your eyes, embrace what you see now. Don't you feel like cutting loose? Yeah, cutting loose, cutting loose. I'm alive, I do or die. My mind stretched out on the canopy. My dreams getting bigger than you and me. I'm alive, I do or die. Taking the leap, now I'm evergreen. My dreams getting bigger than you and me. I would die for you. I would die for you. I would die for you. I'm alive, I do or die. I'm alive, do or die. I'm alive, I do or die. My mind stretched out on the canopy. My dreams getting bigger than you and me. I'm alive, I do or die. Taking the lead, now I'm evergreen. My dreams getting bigger than you and me. I do or die. My mind stretched out on the canopy. My dreams getting bigger than you and me. I'm alive, I do or die. Taking the lead, now I'm evergreen. My dreams getting bigger than you and me.
Slight change of plans. On the way to Agudel, I got 40 or 50 kilometers from the end, high up in the mountains, 2,200 meters or something. And then the wind, the beautiful gusts of wind decided to grace us with its presence, forcing me to turn around, kind of freaking out a bit, getting blown all over the road. Some of the locals said it's a little bit dangerous to ride when it's windy. Some of them said it will be fine on a motorbike. I didn't feel safe. Gut feeling said turn around, and not many people were coming towards me when I was traveling towards Agudel. We turned around and now we're heading towards Todka Gorge from the other side. I didn't really feel safe sort of at 2,000, 3,000 meters with wind gusts of 50 kilometers an hour. Todka Gorge, we are half an hour away. we will set up camp and then we'll see what we can do for the afternoon. We're going to be shortly turning left and we're going to be heading to Todka Gorge, and then we're going to be camping there for the night, and then tomorrow we're going to be going in that direction straight to the Sahara Desert. The first time I've been stopped by the police, if I do get stopped. Like I said, if I do get stopped. So this is sort of the beginning of Todka Gorge. All the B&Bs and holiday apartments and so on. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Todka Gorge. Oh my god. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I am literally speechless. Wow. This is incredible. Obviously lots of people here. I mean, look, I have to literally look up. I mean, wow. I wonder if I can camp here. Hey guys, it really helps me out if you can share the video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell for new content. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm glad to bring you Todka Gorge. We're just going to go a little bit further up here, get a wee photo. Attention danger. Yeah, I bet it is. That is surreal. Look at that. This would be the road I would be coming down if I did go to from Agudal. Unfortunately, the wind doesn't look like it's giving up. It looks like it's staying for tomorrow as well, according to the weather forecast. But what we'll do is we'll have a look again in the morning. Look at the size of those cars and look at the size of the gorge. It's huge. I hope you can see the top of the gorge, but I also have to concentrate on the road a little bit. Look at the size of that. Bizarrely, there's no water up here, but look at that. That's astronomical. Whew. I'm going to stop shortly, grab something to drink, go for a walk in the not sure what they're all taking a photo of, but yeah, you come in from the one side or the other and then you've got that. Just spotted the old campsite as I entered Todka Gorge, and we're going to negotiate our way through this traffic and then head to the campsite, set up tent, and there you have it. Thanks for joining me again, and see you next time.